In this video, we will understand what is work and what is its nature. Work and its nature. In physics, the meanings of work and energy are very precise and clear. However, in everyday life, we often get confused about what they really mean. For example, when we apply force to move an object, we get tired and feel hungry. Then, to regain energy, we need to eat food. This tells us that whenever we do such tasks, we need energy. So, we can say, work means with the help of force, giving energy to an object or taking energy from it. In simple words, work is a kind of transferred energy. We can define work as follows. Work is said to be done by a force when a body is displaced actually through some distance in the direction of the applied force. Mathematically, work is the product of force into displacement into cos theta, where force F is the push or pull applied to the object. Its SI unit is Newton. Displacement D tells us how far the object has moved in the direction of the force. Its SI unit is meter. Cos theta is the angle between force and displacement. The SI unit of work is joule. Types of work. There are three types of work: positive work, negative work, zero work. Now, let's understand each one of them with examples. Positive work. When force and displacement are in the same direction, the work done is positive. In this case, the angle between force and displacement is less than 90 degrees. For example, when we push a box, both the force and displacement are in the same direction. Or, when an object falls down due to gravity, the force, gravity, acts downward, and the displacement is also downward. So, this is also an example of positive work. Negative work. When force and displacement are in opposite directions, the work done is negative. For example, when an object moves on a rough surface, its motion is opposed by frictional force. The direction of friction is opposite to the displacement, so the work done by friction is negative. But note that the applied force used to move the object does positive work. Zero work. If an object does not get displaced, or if the force is perpendicular to the displacement, then the work done is zero. For example, when we push a wall very hard, but it does not move, a force is applied, but there is no displacement, so the work done is zero. However, in this process, our muscles use energy, which is why we get tired. But that energy is internal, it does not result in external mechanical work. That's why